and I checked my phone just a minute ago, and it's like 9 or 10 degrees here. 9 degrees. It just went up 1, like crazy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Milwaukee. We got some of the Houston crew. We got my boy Jerry back here, Edward, Adriel, the San Antonio people. So we're about to go to a real estate event. We'll be here till Sunday. I'm gonna try to get a lot of content for you guys and hopefully get some gems too.
Do you know Orlando?
Oh yeah.
Orlando Miller?
Oh yeah.
That's my dog, bro.
Really?
Yeah. I've known him for like 3 years, bro.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
We have going on. So we have a closing before today, and you know, he wasn't able to come up with his money. I had a feeling that might happen, but the fact that he put earnest money down is why I said, you know what, and he said today would close, which is a week from when we initially talked. So I was like, okay, you know what? He sounds a little iffy because of all he's doing, and he put down earnest money. I said, okay, we'll go with him. So that's what happened.
Gotcha. So he just lost earnest money. How much was earnest money? 3,000? All right, guys, that's day 2 of the event. I'm gonna show you all, because it's really cold here as the light adjusts. That is actually all snow. Like, it's insane. And I checked my phone just a minute ago, and it's like 9 or 10 degrees here. 9 degrees. It just went up 1, like crazy. But I just want to show you guys what the event looks like. I'm gonna give you guys some more content today, and I just want to let y'all know, like, it's so important when you come to these events to network. Tonight we're having a huge networking mixer. I met a lot of dope people last night, and like, it's cool to come and learn, but it's more important to network. That's really why we even came. So should be fun. I'm gonna take y'all with us.
Trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light. All right.
Was trying to be healthy today?
Oh, I don't know why you did that. That doesn't sound like a good idea.
What you think, bro? It's cold? The veggie sandwich didn't give you the warmth that you needed, bro?
First off, I want to ask you guys a few questions because I want to try to show you through my real estate journey how it's possible and what really made me successful, because I'm just like any of you in this room. And I was just a young high school kid when I got started, and so there was nothing special about me. There really wasn't any advantages that I had. The main things that helped me be successful was staying consistent. So I'll get into that. But how many of you have been trying to get your first deal for more than 3 months? Anybody been trying for more than 3 months? Okay. All right, so let's get into it. So if you don't know who I am, I started my real estate journey at the age of 16. There's me on my living room floor getting bandit signs ready to put them out. I also printed out a bunch of flyers that said, you know, I'll buy your house for cash, as is, no closing costs. And I printed out like 1,000 of those. And I would drive around different neighborhoods that mapped out all the pre-foreclosures, so that way I would be going to the good houses to hit. And I would either knock on the door and give them it, or if they weren't home, I'd tape it to the door. I got nothing with that.
You enjoyed that long, so let's just give a round of applause.
Version of yourself, your friends, your limited beliefs, your habits, your lifestyle, right? Like completely just getting rid of all that to become massively successful. Who's willing to do that? Who's willing to make that sacrifice? Raise your hand. If you want to cost in your own life, right? I want you one day to show up. I don't know, once you're like 60 6 months, 12 months into your journey, and you're doing all these things, and you show up and people don't even recognize you. You speak different, you walk different, you vibe different, you dress different, right? You carry yourself different. Who wants that in your life, guys? Who wants that?
Hey, here he is, right here. Right here. Big money.
Texas coming over here.
Hey.
Texas.
Hey.
But the terms were crazy. I could have kept it all forever, and I had no risk. Like, it was 0% interest on the home, and then like 3%, or it was 4% interest on the land. That's like crazy.
You plan on getting into development, like building ground up?
Yeah, I want to. And like my buddy Carson Siebels, he's not on social media or anything, but he's crushing it in AZ. He has an office down the street from me. He's only like 22 years old too. And we're like doing the same numbers, and he's trying to really get into development. His partner's dad is a developer, and they're trying to learn from him and stuff. So I'm gonna see what they do with it and try to learn from them.
What's the hardest thing for y'all to get into development?
So man, I'm Logan.
Right, nice to meet you, bro.
What market were you on?
Atlanta.
Hey, come on. Come on. Of course, because we leave him.
Yeah, it doesn't normally get up.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You know what I'm saying? And I was like, all right, guys, we have finally made it back to Houston. It's been a long weekend in Wisconsin. I'm about to head back home, catch up on some sleep. I know this video is a little bit all over the place, but I just want to give you guys like a travel vlog, just show you what a weekend looks like at an event. I know I didn't get a lot of the speakers, but the main reason is because I spent a lot of my time networking, and at this point, you know, doing real estate for 6 years, it's really the main point of going to these events and masterminds is to really get to know more high-level people and just expand my network and make sure they know who I am. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you made it this far, make sure you like, subscribe, make sure you're following me on YouTube and TikTok. Until next time, peace.